Looking for the next big pharma play that could turn 2025 into your most profitable year yet? From breakthrough innovations to reliable dividend payers, these top U.S. pharmaceutical stocks are positioned to crush it this year and beyond. Stick around till the end. Stock 5 might just be the dark horse with the most explosive potential. Like, comment, share, and subscribe Evercrest Capital channel, and turn the bell notification on so you never miss new videos notification. Let's dive in. First one is Eli Lilly and Company, LOY. Eli Lilly is one of the strongest performers in the pharmaceutical space, and 2025 could be another blockbuster year. The company has a current market cap of over $709.95 billion and trades near $750.15 per share, 2025. But what's driving this growth? The answer lies in one word, Mounjaro. This diabetes and weight loss drug has become a mega blockbuster, already generating over $45.04 billion, 2024, in revenue. But that's just the beginning. In 2025, Eli Lilly is expanding its pipeline with new obesity treatments, Alzheimer's drugs, and rare disease therapies. Over the past 3 years, Eli Lilly has more than doubled its stock price, and its dividend yield, while modest at 0.7%, has been consistently growing. Investors are not here for yield. They're here for growth backed by serious R&D investment and FDA wins. If you're seeking a stable, innovative pharma giant with serious upside and a proven track record of execution, Eli Lilly is a no-brainer. Next up is AbbVie, a company well known for its blockbuster drug Humira, but even more admired for how it's reinventing itself post-Humira's patent cliff. With a market cap around $325.85 billion and a stock price hovering near $184.47 in 2025, AbbVie is a favorite for both dividend and value investors. What's exciting in 2025? AbbVie's immunology and neuroscience segments are thriving. Rinvoq and Skyrizi have taken over as strong revenue generators, replacing Humira's dominance. Plus, their acquisition of Allergan brought in Botox and a strong aesthetics portfolio, further diversifying their revenue base. Dividend lovers, take note. AbbVie pays a handsome yield of around 3.5% and has increased its dividend for over 50 consecutive years. Over the past 3 years, the stock has delivered steady gains, even during volatile markets. For anyone seeking a high-yielding pharmaceutical powerhouse with pipeline strength and consistent returns, AbbVie is a top contender for 2025. Vertex Pharmaceuticals, VRTX. Vertex is a pure growth play with a razor-sharp focus on genetic diseases. With a market cap of around $112.03 billion and a stock price near $436.26, Vertex is not your typical pharma stock. It's a biotech force with consistent profitability, which is rare in the space. Their crown jewel? Cystic fibrosis drugs like Trikafta, which dominate the market. But in 2025, eyes are on Vertex's expansion into sickle cell disease, APOL1-mediated kidney disease, and a groundbreaking gene editing therapy in partnership with CRISPR Therapeutics. Despite offering no dividend, Vertex has gained over 80% in the last 3 years and continues to invest heavily in its research pipeline. Their balance sheet is pristine, with zero debt and billions in cash, fueling future acquisitions or internal R&D. If you're a growth-focused investor looking for the next-generation biotech leader with a high-risk, high-reward profile, Vertex is a must-watch in 2025. Bristol-Myers Squibb BMY. Bristol-Myers is a classic value stock that might finally be set for a breakout. With a market cap near $95.40 billion and a share price around $46.88, Bristol-Myers Squibb offers a solid 4.5% dividend yield, making it one of the highest-yielding major pharmaceutical stocks. But there's more than dividends here. In 2025, Bristol is pushing its oncology pipeline hard, especially Opdivo and Yervoy in immuno-oncology. Additionally, recent acquisitions such as Karuna Therapeutics and Mirati Therapeutics are positioning Bristol-Myers Squibb to expand into neuroscience and targeted cancer therapies. The past 3 years were challenging. BMY stock declined about 20%, but many analysts now believe it's undervalued and primed for a rebound. For investors who want both income and upside potential, Bristol-Myers Squibb offers a solid entry point at a discounted valuation. 5. Regeneron Pharmaceuticals, REGN. If there's one underdog that could surprise investors in 2025, it's Regeneron. With a market cap of about $63.87 billion and a stock price just over $591.60, Regeneron isn't cheap, but it's quietly becoming a biotech juggernaut. Their ophthalmology drug Eylea continues to print money, but 2025 is all about diversification. Regeneron's pipeline in oncology, immunology, and gene therapy is gaining real traction. Libtayo, its cancer immunotherapy, has shown strong results, and their partnership with Alnylam on RNAi treatments is turning heads in the biotech community. While the company doesn't offer a dividend, it has returned over 70% to shareholders in the past 3 years and reinvests profits into groundbreaking innovation. For those hunting for a high-tech, science-driven pharma play with multi-bagger potential, Regeneron could be your secret weapon in 2025. All right, so let's take a step back and recap what we just uncovered, because these aren't just random stock picks. These are some of the most strategically positioned pharmaceutical companies in the U.S. for 2025 and beyond. We began with Eli Lilly, LOY, the innovation machine. This is a company that's redefining healthcare with obesity and Alzheimer's treatments that could impact millions. With Mounjaro leading the charge and a track record of FDA wins, Lilly stands as the gold standard of growth in big pharma. Then we looked at AbbVie AbbVie, a true dividend giant. Not only has AbbVie weathered the post-humorous storm, but it's thriving through strategic pivots like Rinvoq, Skyrizi, and Botox. If you're building a dividend-focused portfolio that still wants upside, AbbVie is a rock-solid pick. Next came Vertex Pharmaceuticals, VRTX, a different kind of animal. This isn't a traditional pharma company. It's a genetic innovation powerhouse. With an ultra-focused pipeline, no debt, and explosive potential in gene editing, Vertex is a long-term growth investor's dream. Then there's Bristol-Myers Squibb, BMY. This is your value play. It's flying under the radar right now, offering a hefty 4.5% dividend yield and a deeply undervalued price-to-earnings ratio. With a revitalized oncology pipeline and recent acquisitions in neuroscience, Bristol-Myers Squibb could be the comeback story of 2025. And finally, Regeneron, REGN, the quiet, tech-driven disruptor. Trading at a premium but backed by a scientific war chest, Regeneron has its eyes set on cutting-edge therapies across cancer, eye care, and RNA-based treatments. If you're looking for innovation with cash flow to back it, Regeneron might be your ticket. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these pharma giants are you most bullish on in 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get a conversation started. And if you found value in this video, smash that like button, share with a fellow investor, and make sure you subscribe, because I've got more deep dive videos coming your way every single week. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay invested, and I'll see you in the next video.